Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing 14 life-changing gadgets, carefully selected based on research and testing for various needs. Whether you're seeking affordability, performance, or specific features, I've categorized the products to suit different buyer preferences. Check the description for up-to-date prices and details. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's dive in. Number 1. Baseus 240W GaN Charger. Elevate your workspace with the innovative 5-port 240W desktop charger, the industry's first 40% smaller charger to combine both round and square-tipped AC adapters with USB-C adapters. Seamlessly charge two laptops simultaneously with PD 3.1 140W and PD 3.0 100W. Enjoy an immersive edge-to-edge display and control charging remotely via the Baseus Smart app. With an upgraded chip, advanced cooling tech, and 9 protective protocols, your charging is faster, safer, and cooler. Includes the charger, cables, and adapters. Number 2. HiBREW H11 Slim Espresso Machine. This high-concern, chemical-free espresso coffee maker features durable stainless steel housing material, ensuring longevity and safety. Designed to brew up to 5 cups of rich espresso, it delivers consistent results every time. The machine meets various global certifications, including CB, CE, CSA, LFGB, UL, and UR, ensuring it adheres to the highest standards for safety and performance. Perfect for coffee enthusiasts who value both quality and peace of mind, this espresso maker brings barista-level convenience to your home. Number 3. UGREEN USB-C Dock Station. The 6-in-1 Steam Deck dock is the ultimate companion for gaming enthusiasts. Equipped with one HDMI 2.0 port, 4K at 60 Hz, 1 gigabit Ethernet 1000 megabits per second, 3 USB-A 3.0 ports, and 1 USB-C PD fast charging port, 100W, this dock ensures a seamless gaming experience. It supports fast charging for both Steam Deck and ROG Ally, while the high-definition 4K output brings games to life on larger screens. With a stable Ethernet connection and quick file transfers, it's the perfect hub and stand for all your gaming peripherals. Compatible with a wide range of USB-C devices, it enhances your gaming setup with ease. Number 4. Baseus Eli 10i Earphones. The Baseus Eli Sport 1 open-ear headphones offer a comfortable non-in-ear design, ensuring a healthy listening experience while keeping you aware of your surroundings for added safety. With an IPX4 waterproof rating, these headphones resist sweat and rain. Enjoy rich, punchy audio with deep bass and crisp highs, thanks to 16.2 mm large drivers and Baseus bass enhancement algorithm. The directional acoustics technology minimizes sound leaks, while the Ultralight stable fit ensures comfort during exercise. With up to 30 hours of playtime and AI-enhanced clear calls, these headphones are perfect for all your active moments. Number 5. RGB Screen Laptop Bag. The unique LED backpack features a built-in 64 by 64 pixel LED panel, allowing you to create real-time pixel art designs through a dedicated app. Show off your creativity with bright, dynamic images that enhance your style. Designed for comfort, it includes adjustable shoulder straps and a breathable mesh back panel to relieve shoulder pressure. Powered by a 5V/2A power bank not included, this backpack offers ample storage with a separate laptop compartment and a spacious main section for daily essentials and tech accessories. Number 6. XOSS Ultralight Bike Flashlight. The XOSS XL 800 Bike Lite features a USB-C charging interface for faster and more efficient charging, fully charging in just 3.5 hours. The power indicator light lets you monitor battery status with a green light signaling a full charge. Offering 5 light modes, high, medium, low strobe/SOS, the XL 800 provides up to 800 lumens and a runtime of 6 hours on low, meeting all your lighting needs for cycling and outdoor activities. With a 200-meter irradiation distance, it's perfect for night riding, hiking, and camping. The light is also life waterproof and easily installed with 2 mounting options. Backed by a 1-year warranty, XOSS ensures a quality product and excellent customer service. Number 7. Smart Ear Cleaner Camera. The ear irrigation flushing system features an integrated anti-shedding design with a lengthened earpick head for deep cleaning and preventing the ear spoon from falling off. Equipped with a 1296p HD camera and 6 LED cold lights, it provides stable real-time imaging for easy earwax removal. Made from high-quality 304 stainless steel and soft silicone, the ear pick is gentle on sensitive ears, including those of children. The kit includes 4 curved ear picks, customizable for different ear canal shapes. Compatible with Android and iOS devices, it allows for convenient ear inspections and maintenance via a downloadable app. Number 8. Futuristic Cyberpunk Marble Run Puzzle. Enhance your gaming environment with this dynamic LED atmosphere light 3D puzzle. The cool lighting effects bring a unique visual impact to your space, perfect for gaming desks. With innovative DIY combination options, you can combine 2 MR01S models or pair it with the upcoming MR02S for expanded possibilities. The modular design ensures a smooth assembly experience, and the included dust cover keeps your creation clean. Featuring dual modes, rolling and lighting, it offers immersive looping operations inspired by parallel worlds and miniature cities. Number 9. Aigo Processor Air Cooler. The robust 200W TDP cooling system of this CPU cooler features 4 high-performance 6mm heat pipes with HDD technology, efficiently dissipating heat from the CPU. The upgraded 4th-generation AGHB heat pipe minimizes gravity effects in both orientations, while the 44 aluminum fins increase surface area for optimal cooling. A 120mm PWM fan operates silently with noise levels as low as 24 dBA, ensuring quiet performance. Its aesthetic all-black design, laser-engraved top cover, and customizable RGB lighting sync with compatible motherboards, enhancing your gaming setup. It supports Intel and AMD sockets, with all necessary mounting hardware included. Number 10. Electric Mosquito Swatter 3-in-1. The efficient mosquito killer features a high-voltage grid that instantly eliminates mosquitoes, bugs, flies, gnats, and fruit flies, ensuring a bug-free environment. Its foldable and portable design makes it easy to store and carry, with a rotating hand grip for convenient packing when camping or hiking. Designed for safety, it includes a 3-layer security mesh to protect children and pets from accidental contact. The rechargeable lithium battery offers quick USB charging, fully recharging in just 3 hours. Enjoy reliable customer support and a bug-free space wherever you go. Number 11. Baseus Anti-Spy Camera Detector. The Baseus Hey Mini Hidden Camera Detector is a high-performance device designed to detect hidden cameras and ensure privacy. With no high-concern chemicals, it offers a safe and reliable solution. This compact and efficient detector is certified with CE, FCC, and RoHS, ensuring it meets safety and quality standards. It provides peace of mind, helping users detect surveillance devices in their environment with ease. Number 12. Mini PC Monitoring Screen. The CPU data monitor offers easy installation with double-faced adhesive tape and a 9-pin data cable connection. Featuring a 2.1-inch IPS liquid cooler LCD screen, it displays vital system information like CPU/GPU usage and temperature, along with internet speed, date, time, volume, and weather forecast. Built with a durable aluminum alloy casing and a CNC machine design, the 480 by 480 resolution screen provides clear visuals. The flexible 360-degree rotation allows for customizable positioning, while the stepless dimming feature provides real-time temperature control and energy efficiency. Ideal for installation inside or outside the desktop chassis. Number 13. Vaydeer Mouse Jiggler Simulator. The Vaydeer 2024 upgraded mouse Jiggler features a hardcore ultra-silent motor that operates under 45 dB, ensuring a quiet experience compared to competitors. ISO/IEC 27001:2013 certified. It's safe and secure, making it an ideal Christmas gift for colleagues. With no software installation required, it simulates physical mouse movement, remaining undetectable by IT departments. Powered by either an external 5V/2A adapter or a USB port, it's compatible with various operating systems and optical mice. The built-in on-OFF switch adds convenience, while its wide compatibility makes it perfect for remote work, online meetings, and gaming. With 6 years of R&D expertise, Vaydeer is dedicated to providing top-tier products and customer service. Number 14. Wireless Outdoor Security Camera. The 5K camera features 3 lenses and 3 screens, providing real-time monitoring from different angles. The first frame is the pan-tilt camera, while the second and third are fixed-position cameras. You can easily click on a desired position in the fixed camera view to have the pan-tilt camera zoom in. With AI detection, it alerts you instantly when human targets are detected, avoiding false triggers from cars or trees. The camera also supports 10x digital zoom for detailed viewing. Its dual-light night vision includes built-in white and infrared LEDs, offering a colorful view even at night with 3 adjustable night modes. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.